Recession. Epic housing crash comes next. Sales and mortgages are stalling. Millions of people will find themselves upside down and unable to sell their homes. Next will be the credit crisis, just like in 2007. They can call it what they want, but it's really coming. Things are not going well at all for the USA, and according to forecasts, the housing market is going to experience even worse times than it is currently undergoing. A real estate market crash is being predicted, and this is obviously going to take its toll on the US economy. Throughout the past 2 years, the home prices in the US have gone up significantly. Indeed, prices have risen by almost 40%. Consequently, mortgage rates are also rising at unprecedented rates, and it seems that they are going to keep doing so in the coming months. While the Federal Reserve is trying to fight inflation, the higher mortgage rates are inevitably going to lead to extremely high mortgage repayments. As a result, we are expecting that a considerable percentage of home buyers will not be able to keep up with them. The only way that prospective home buyers can be brought back into the marketplace is if home prices are lowered. And it seems that this is the upcoming trend in some parts of America already. Ultimately, what the Federal Reserve decides is going to be of great significance. According to statistics, home prices in the USA have been overvalued by 25%. The Federal Reserve might decide to stop raising interest rates so as to try to minimize the damage. On the other hand, should the Federal Reserve continue to raise interest rates throughout the coming year, the results are going to be very serious. Before the last housing market crash, average mortgages had only risen by 6% over a 30-year period. This dates back to the year 2008. Things are really not going well at all at the moment. Until last April, mortgage rates were in the ranges of 4% to 5%, and this has consistently increased. As a result, potential homebuyers with lower incomes are being priced out of the market as they cannot cope with these high mortgage rates. The houses that are being sold are those that are in the higher price ranges. Things are bound to get even worse as the housing bubble is going to collapse further. The housing market needs to be tackled much more seriously and in a more timely fashion by those responsible for the current situation, as otherwise things are really going to get even worse. The real estate crash is going to have serious repercussions on many people and on the US economy in general. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and leave a comment. We'd love reading your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe.